What's up everybody, this is Hamilton, and in this video I'll be painting a fall landscape. I've been waiting a pretty long time for this. It's my favorite season by far, and I was just looking so forward to painting all the beautiful colors that we see with the trees and all of the dying vegetation. So I think I found a pretty good spot here. You'll notice I'm wearing a bright orange vest. I hope it's not too distracting. It's hunting season where I am, so I just wanted to make sure nobody was going to mistake me for a large animal or something. So once again, I've started off with quite a few darker colors, and I'm basically just going to build layers of lighter colors on top, and I'll progressively get lighter as I go, and that way it'll just create some really nice shadows and depth to the painting. So as you can see at this point, I'm just adding all of the tiny little hints of trees that are in the distance, just different colors. I try to change up the flavor as I'm going so they don't all look the same. And you don't have to add a lot of detail to things like this. You kind of want the viewer to just use their imagination. They can understand what's going on back there. I want to focus more on the trees that are in the foreground. What I love about painting outside on the spot is just being able to use my senses to really feel the area around me and try to work that into the painting. Another good thing about it is I'm really just making sure I get the majority of the shapes and important objects in the painting and colors, and when I go back home I can refine it. So at this point, I feel like I've gotten all of the most important shapes in the painting and the overall feel and the colors I'm looking for. So I'm going to take it back home and refine things a little bit, add some shadows, add some highlights, and just go from there. And I'll put the little caterpillar back in his place so I don't take him home with me. As you can see, I've added some details and some shadows, highlights. I've kind of refined things to look either further away or closer in the foreground. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I had a great time working on this piece, and I hope you like it too. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe, click the little bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.